Hello, myself Sunil Ramkrishna. This is next level program. So here in person told that long before basically the Russian group also basically created, sorry, France group basically also created the India basically, and they basically have the access also basically of that creation basically, and they periodically basically access the data also basically because they have the authority basically. They basically don't damage anybody's hand. They don't basically damage anybody's head. They don't damage anybody's leg. They don't damage anybody's eye. They don't damage anybody's hand. So like this basically they never do basically. So here one person told like this basically France group basically controls the area basically. So here the question basically is this 105 country basically who is giving the rain basically to the Borivali basically, that is on the base of the building creation basically. So here one person told that like this the creation basically is done. Why basically 105 country basically are giving the data, the rain? So whatever rain basically it's going to fall in Borivali, that is coming from 105 country basically. So you can just imagine basically. So from 105 country basically the Borivali is coming. Borivali is basically getting the rains. So it's a huge process basically you can say. To get rain from 105 country basically, it's not an easy process basically. So the person basically who are into this everything basically, season departments, power departments, energy departments, they are very dangerous group basically. They never misuse basically. They don't damage anybody's head, they don't damage anybody's leg. So like this basically they don't do. So here one person told that is one thing basically. That is, but here one person told that rain basically is coming from the above the land basically. So here one person told that yes, here basically. Well, buildings basically are connected with the land. So next